who'll cut his hair?
It's so obvious. The only person he'll let get close enough to him. You wouldn't know a good plan if it hit you in the head.
I would too, if it hit me in the head.
Here it comes!
Oh, you're tickling me.
Here it comes. That was a warm-up. I'm gonna give it to you right now. Okay.
Donkey Kong!
Good match. Once again, you win, I lose. No harm, no foul. Let's call it a day. What is that?
Banana slap!
We'll create a diversion at the barrel first, and then come when they open it.
What? Did you defuse the barrel?
And oh.
You insufferable invertebrate! Perhaps you could help me with this dilemma, General Crusher.
I can do that.
Speaking of cerebrally challenged, where's Crusher?
He's in the vault, sir. He's rummaging through all your junk to see if he can find something festive to bring home for the holiday.
I found something.
What have you got there, Crusher?
Candle.
Those aren't candles! Those are...
Hey! I found the perfect gifts!
Well done, soldier. What are they?
Candles!
No, those aren't. Fireworks.
I thought they looked kind of familiar.